What if? Ponderings from Karen Tui Boyes. I've been pondering, what if education looked different? What if we truly valued what really matters rather than what used to matter? What if we cared more about the progress students are making rather than the marks, grades, or number of credits they get? What if we were more concerned about the skills that will be needed for the future rather than the fact that life is going to be very different for our school leavers? What if we allowed students to choose the teacher that they felt was best fit for their learning? What if there was a PlayStation, TV or sports channel on in every classroom and teachers had to make their lessons more compelling than these? What if we grouped students by independence levels and not age groups? What if school was open from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. and students could choose when they start and go home? What if relevance was the key driver of lessons rather than content? What if students could choose when they sit their assessments rather than having to do it on a specific day? What if there were no national assessments and instead students showed a portfolio of evidence? What if every student's learning was personalised to their needs and interests? What if mastery was the constant rather than the time students have to learn the information? What if we were more interested in who a student is becoming rather than the job they're going to be doing? What if students were the teachers and the teachers were the students? What if mistakes were celebrated and not something to be ashamed of? What if teachers and students were so excited to come to school every day they bounced out of bed every morning? What if education and learning was truly a team event? And what if school was the best party in town?